Hi again. And so I thought maybe I would show you exactly what I do on these. I'm going to do Leah Chase next. And she's wearing red. And since I happen to have a bunch of these that I actually bought a long time ago and they're all different colors, I'm going to go ahead and do red. So you can see me folding it. Super easy to fold, especially once you get used to doing it. You just line it up like that. Actually, let's just, yeah. Let me just look at my own thing again. I'm like, okay, let's just make sure. Okay, so actually, yeah, so it's just a little bit farther over, like about right like that. It doesn't need to be exact. The main thing is you want this part showing when you fold it this way. Okay, so that's a pretty red is in the front, or whatever color you're using. Okay, then that way that in pocket thing won't show up. And then of course, like I said, just kind of line them up like that. And okay, like that. Okay, and then you have a nice little thing like that. Okay, and then with Leah Chase, again, same thing like what I did with George Washington Carver. And we have this one and this one, and Leah Chase is the queen of Creole. So I definitely want to put a cookbook in where she's at. So, you know, when I did my lap books, when Nathan did his lap books, he used construction paper because construction paper is the least expensive. But I would just, whatever you have in your house available is probably the best bet. And I'm looking for my scissors. Okay, there's my scissors. And I'm going to cut this real fast. So, cut, fast, fast, fast. Now, I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I'm a little bit, okay, it's not straight, oh no. But, I mean, obviously, if a kid's doing it, we shouldn't expect perfection from them. This is the whole idea of this is having fun while you're learning, right? Hands-on, right? People remember more when they learn hands-on. So here's a little picture and then just a little glue stick. One of the things I like about glue stick is most of the stuff you glue down with a glue stick. If you decide you don't want to keep it there, you can move it. In fact, that's what I did with the cookbook. I took the cookbook out because I wasn't 100% sure that, let's see, I might have, let me just cut this a little bit more to make it a little bit narrower, which you can do. Obviously, you don't have to, if you ever need to do that, just cut it down a little bit so that it fits better. Because okay, there, now it fits nicely on there, like that. And I haven't printed all of the things. I can take one of these right here and have a bigger picture. Actually, these pictures aren't exactly the same size as the ones in the actual product because I printed these and realized they were a little big. And so I adjusted the size, plus I have smaller ones that in there now. So just real quick to show you that she will fit nicely right there, even with quick cutting. And then you can actually fold it under if you prefer, or over. So like what I did with George Washington Carver, I added some facts in there. Unique ways to use peanuts for nutrition, travel to areas to teach on their land, on people's land, and he taught people crop rotation, which would help to keep their crops from dying. Because different crops use different nutrients in the soil, so that is a cool thing, a huge innovation. And then he learned how to do hundreds of things he came up with peanuts. So I think it would be fun. Anyway, since she's the queen of Creole, so one research you could do is you could do some look up Creole and find out more about Creole. And of course, this is what I think about because I'm a dietitian, how fun it would be to learn more about Creole and try some Creole. And, you know, you can add as many pages as you want. This is just showing a couple pages and then little dividers. but you can have as many pages as you want. Like I said, pick your own color, print white and color it.